Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can screen record on your iPhone. To record your screen on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner for iPhone 10 or later, and you will see this system control settings. Now simply tap on the screen recording button, which is a circle inside another circle at the bottom left, and it will start a 3-second countdown. Then you can begin the recording process. My screen is recording right now for the video I'm making. So in my case, the screen recording button is blinking in red at the bottom left, as you can see it on the screen. While starting with the screen recording, if you want to record the audio, then you'll need to long press the screen recording button and then tap on microphone and then tap the microphone on, and that way your screen recording will start. In order to stop the screen recording, you can tap on the red status bar, which is located at the top left, which is showing the time right now. After you tap on that, your recorded video will be saved in the Photos app. And that's how you easily record screen on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more iOS tips. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.